In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync documents folder with OneDrive. By the end, your documents folder will automatically back up to the cloud so your files stay protected and accessible across your devices. Start by opening the OneDrive app. This takes you to the main dashboard where you can manage everything related to your cloud storage. On this screen, look toward the tab bar and click the small arrow to expand the available options. This simply reveals more controls so you can get to the settings you need. Next, select the OneDrive cloud icon. That opens the primary controls for your OneDrive account and the folders it can protect. Now, click the settings gear. This is where you'll choose how OneDrive behaves on your device. Inside the panel that opens, make sure you're on the Settings tab first so you can see the general options. From there, move into the Sync and Backup tab. This is the area that controls which folders on your computer are automatically uploaded and kept in sync with OneDrive. Click Manage Backup. You'll see a list of common folders that OneDrive can protect for you. Find the Documents folder, then click the button on the right side of Documents to enable it. This tells OneDrive to start monitoring that folder, uploading existing files, and keeping new changes in sync. When you're ready, click Save Changes to confirm. After you save, OneDrive begins its initial scan and upload. The first sync may take a while, especially if your documents folder is large or your internet connection is slow. You can continue working while it runs. You may notice sync status icons next to files, a blue syncing symbol while it uploads, and a green check when it's finished. Keep the app running and stay connected to the internet until the process completes. A few tips to make this smoother. Make sure you have enough OneDrive storage to hold your documents folder. If space is tight, consider cleaning up large files you don't need in documents. Remember that once backup is enabled, any changes you make inside the documents folder will mirror to OneDrive, and any supported changes in OneDrive will reflect back to your computer. If you don't see the sync and backup options, it can help to check that your OneDrive app is up to date. That's it. You've enabled backup for your documents folder with OneDrive, and your files are now safer and easier to access wherever you sign in.